Yeah, yesterday we did what accounts? How to prepare ledger. So look at this. Okay. Now cash account is showing what balance? Anybody can tell me? How much? What is the amount? 51250. Debit balance. What balance? Debit balance. Stock account? Debit of 1000. Furniture? Debit of 10,000. Capital? Credit of 61,000. Purchases? Debit balance of 9,000. Ravan? Credit balance of 1000. Lakshman? Debit balance of 750. And sales? Credit balance of 10,000. Now, what you did, you pass the journal entries, then you prepare the ledger. In ledger, there are two steps. One is the journal entries are posted into ledger, that is ledger posting, and then balancing of ledger and finding out the balance. Is that clear? Now, with the help of these balances, we prepare something known as trial balance. What balance? Trial balance. Now, in trial balance, you have debit and credit amount, serial number, account head. Account head. Debit rupees, credit rupees. Means it will give you a summary. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 accounts are there. You tell me what is the first account? Cash account, correct? Yes. Cash account showed a balance of 51,250 debit balance. Credit balance nahi. Barabar hai? What is the next account? Stock. Stock account showed a balance of how much? 1,000 debit balance. Then you had furniture account. A debit balance of how much? 10,000 if I am not wrong, correct? Then you have capital account, correct? Yes? Please answer this. Capital account kitna tha? 61,000. Yes, my dear friends, tell me. Next. Purchases account kitna hai? Purchases will be 9,000 debit. Next. Ravan account. Credit balance how much? 1,000. Then next. Lakshman account. Debit balance of 750. And sales account, if I am not wrong, credit balance of 10,000. The trial balance should tally. Total of trial balance should tally. Is it 72,000? Both the sides? Just check. Is that clear? $72,000. I hope all of you understood this. Yeah? So, your trial balance should tally. Reason for every corresponding debit, there is a corresponding credit. Now guys, with the help of this trial balance, you prepare your final accounts. That is trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. वो हम थोड़ा बाद में लेंगे, because I still have to explain you certain things in what trial balance. Is that clear? Okay. So please answer step by step. You please answer. What is the first step? With the help of transactions and events, pass journal entries. Correct. Second, with the help of those journal entries, prepare ledger accounts. Correct. And in ledger there are two steps. The journal entries are posted into ledger, that is ledger posting, and the ledger has to be what? Balanced. And those balances, final balances will come in what? Trial balance. And with the help of these trial balance, your final accounts are prepared. This is there in your 11th standard syllabus. So 11th standard syllabus ये सब cover होता है. Your 11th standard syllabus is over if you do this. Few things are there. What are subsidiary books? That is nothing. They are special journals only. थोड़ा बहुत कैश बुक वगैरह है. That's it. और कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है. Cash book is as good as a ledger account. We'll study that later on. You don't have to worry about it. But try to understand, these are very, very important things. Understood? Up till here, any difficulty? All of you getting it? Clear? Hello? I'm asking you all questions. Anybody has any difficulty up till here? Now, trial balance में, hello guys, trial balance में, have a look at it. If I put trial balance, जनरल ट्रायल में कौन से आइटम्स आ सकते हैं ट्रायल बैलेंस में? ओके, नाउ व्हाट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स यू हैव टेकन, टेल मी. हेलो, व्हेन वी वेंट बैक टू आवर basic class, what was that? First, all assets. All assets will definitely show what balance? Debit balance. Is that clear? Then all expenses. All expenses, which is revenue expenditure. What expenditure? Revenue expenditure will show debit balance. All losses will show debit balance. Correct? Fourth, tell me. Capital will generally show credit balance. If you overdraw from the capital, then it can show debit balance. Liabilities, tell me, liabilities will always show credit balance. And income or revenue or gains, any gains will show credit balance. ये आपका कॉमन ट्रायल बैलेंस है. कौन सा भी ट्रायल बैलेंस, these 6 items only will come. All of you are able to understand? Is that clear? So take down. Trial balance consists of these items. Correct? What about drawings? It is capital related to capital, but capital reduces. So drawings will always show debit balance. Are understood? I'll ask you certain questions. Sales कहाँ आता है? Sales is an income. Sales will show credit balance. So sales return will show debit balance. Purchases is an expense. Purchase is an expense. It will show a debit balance. What about purchase return? It will show a credit balance. Are you understood? Clear? Any difficulty? Okay. Now you know what are assets. You know what are expenses. You know what are losses. You know what is capital. You know what is liability. You know what is income and expenses. Is that clear? So trial balance preparation is very simple because you already know what are the items and where do they come. All assets, expense, losses will show debit balance. All capital, liability, income, revenue will show credit balance. हमेशा याद रखना है. Is that clear? Now I'll ask you a question. You have to first tell me where it will fall and whether it is debit or credit. Okay? Land and building used for business. Asset debit. ऐसा बोलने का है. Asset debit balance. Is that clear? Plant and machinery. Asset debit balance. Furniture and fixtures. Asset debit balance. Correct? Investment in long-term securities. Investments are assets. Asset debit balance. Okay. Debtors. Asset debit balance. Okay. Cash in hand. Asset debit balance. Cash at bank. Asset debit balance. Prepaid expenses. If prepaid expense comes, then it is asset debit balance. Is that clear? Expenses. No, only expenses. Only expenses is not asset, it is expense. Correct? Yes. Salary expenses. Expenses. Debit balance. Advertisement expenses. Expenses. Debit balance. Discount allowed. Expenses. Debit balance. Discount received. Income. Credit balance. Understood? Creditors. Liability, credit balance. Bank overdraft. Liability, credit balance. Correct? Okay. Income received in advance. Anything received in advance is a liability. Is that clear? Liability, what balance? Credit balance. Outstanding income. Income receivable. Asset, debit balance. Understood? This is how you have to prepare your trial balance. Any difficulty? Clear? Okay, purchases, expenses, debit balance. Purchase return. Purchases is related to expenses only, but it will not show a debit balance, it will show a credit balance, because if purchase is showing debit, purchase return has to show credit balance. You have done in the journal entry also. What is the entry for purchases? Purchase goods for purchase goods on credit. Tell me the entry. Purchase account debit to creditors account. Then the same goods are returned back to the creditors. Entry. Creditors account debit to purchase return. So purchase return will get what? Credited. It will show a credit balance. Is that clear? Understood? Sales. Income. What balance? Credit balance. Sales return. Debit balance. Ulta balance दिखाएगा. Is that clear? Understood? Stock. Stock is an asset. It will show debit balance. Clear? So these things you have to understand. Any difficulty? Pakka? Absolutely clear? Okay. Now you know what is a ledger account, how to prepare ledger, correct? And you know how to prepare trial balance also. Any difficulty up till here? All of you got it? Okay. Now today, before I go ahead with the further part, that is how to prepare your final accounts, I would like to first concentrate on your subsidiary books. What books? Now I have taught you all journal entries, and from journal entries, how do you post them into what? Ledger. I have taught you all. Yes or no? First I took journal entries, and from journal entries posted into what? Ledger. Today you will be learning about subsidiary books and how to maintain these subsidiary books, and from subsidiary books how are you going to post it into what? Ledger. That we'll study today. Okay? Background I have already given you, but let me tell you once again. Sir, whatever business transactions happen, they are first recorded into journal, correct? But if the transactions are many, बहुत सारे transactions है, correct? Then these transactions are recorded into subsidiary books. These are also known as special journals. What they are known as? Special journals. So how to maintain subsidiary books? There are 8 types of subsidiary books. 1. Purchase day book or purchase book. Purchase day book records all the goods which are purchased on, tell me, credit. All the goods, not fixed assets. Goods means the goods in which you are dealing in. If they are purchased on credit, they are recorded in what book? Purchase day book. Second, all the sales will be recorded in credit sales, not cash sales, will be recorded in sales day book. Similarly, goods which you have purchased on credit and you are returning back. I repeat, goods which you have purchased on credit and you are returning back, they are recorded in purchase return book. And purchase return is also known as return outward. What? Return? What is return outward? The goods which you have purchased are going out. So purchase return is also known as return outward. Is that clear? Next, return inward, that is sales return. The customers to whom you have sold the goods, they are returning back to you. They are sales return. What? Sales return. And they are also known as return inward. 4 books. Then you have cash book. What do you have? You have cash book, 4 types of cash book. Single column cash book, 2 column cash book, 3 column cash book, and petty cash book. Is that clear? And then ये हो गया 5th one, subsidiary cash. Then you have bills receivable and bills payable. वो एक chapter है अलग से, which I'll be taking. Bills receivable and bills payable book. Okay. Then you have journal proper. Journal proper is any of the transactions which are not recorded in any of the 7 books. They will be recorded in journal proper. Generally, adjustment entries. I give that adjustment to salary account debit to outstanding salary, prepaid salary account debit to salary. All these adjustment entries are passed in journal proper. Closing entries, which I have not yet taught you all. they are also passed, posted in, passed in journal proper. Is that clear? Is that clear? So how many types of books? 8 types of subsidiary books. In detail उसके बारे में when I take the portion I'll tell you all, but today I want to just concentrate on few books which you should understand. Okay? And from there how it is posted into what ledger is also very, very important. Clear? Okay?